por baman kesngi awan lam shipi da undang yalam news.
Kirai jong ka Cabinet Minister. Kirai jong ka Cabinet kabala kli daw Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma. Ka Cabinet kalarai ban pediang ya ka Medical Service Policy na kabenta ki samla ki pule doktor na kabenta ka UG bat ka PG katkum ka jing pule jong ki hapo ka jing be pisa jong ka sorkar jala. Lengma kani ka polisi ki doktor ki batrei ha ki jaka ai sumar ki bomio jingmentoy bat ki jaka pule jong ka sentral hapo jong ka jala ken saplat ya kapor batrei kam jong ki ha ki hospital sorkar. Kabinet kala pediang ya ka Meghalaya paking polisi arjar absan ya ka benta kande paniat katkum ka comprehensive mobility plan bat ka comprehensive paking policy na ka benta ki jaka ki bompat itu kum ki jaka yeng kali ha ki jaka sor nakaliang jong Chief Minister ulong ba nakadaw jong ka jing bomdon ki jaka siu na ka benta jong ki ban yeng kali ki saplong ye ki padba bakin penyeng kali kat bakimon nakaliang jong Chief Minister ulong shushu baka sorkar kan ye trilang bat kisnong na ka benta ban khmi bat ban bu khambun ki jaka penyeng kali bala itu da ka sorkar ka kabinet kala menjuru ye ka Meghalaya Police Act ka bakentup ye ka bathung ya UDGP jong ka State Police katkum ka jingtha jong ka Supreme Court ka kabinet kala pediang ro ya ka Registration of Birth and Deaths Amendment Rule kani kolong katkum bala penmi da ka sorkar India ban register ban bu jingtho ya ki keteng kasngi kha bat ka jakasa jongki ka kabinet kala pediang ro ya ka Redesignations of Director of Health Service Research Shaka DHS Medical Education and Research kani kalong ban seng ye ki jaka sumar ki bat thamai bat ki nursing college katkum ki jing hikai ki babiang hapo ka jala ki plawan na kabenta ban ithu daka health department kajing thmu jong kani ka designations kalong ban pej pnya bat ban penbej lente ya ki clinics management bat ban kentiu ya ka jing train na kabenta ki jing pule shapang ka kot ka khia bat ya ka jing sumar ki bakar pang ka kabinet kala pediang ro ya ki bill ki badon ki bansara sha ka budget session jong ka state assembly ka baningkong ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Amendment Bill arjat absan kabar ka amendment to Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Amendment Acts arjan rew kabalai ka Contingency Funds of Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance arjat absan bat ka Meghalaya Good and Service Tax Amendment Bill arjat absan ka kabinet kala pediang ro ya ka Assembly Resolution for Appeal of Employment of Manual Scavengers and Construction of Dry Latrine Prohibitions Act khat khandai spa khandai phulai
Wan baman kesngi sumhawan subscribe ya ka channel undang yalam news.